and will notify you once you begin your
Morning,
broadcast.
guys.
The broadcast is now starting.
Very good
All
morning,
attendees are
fellas.
in
Very, very
listen-only
good morning.
mode.
Dennis, good morning. Fellas, can I get a sound check, please? Sound is good. Thank you. Thank you, Ken, Deepak, Mike, Joe. Guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 12th. It is CPI day. Consequently, your bots should be off. I would not recommend running your bots through the volatility. If you guys are newer with the bots, I strongly suggest you turn them off. Do as you see fit. Mine are off. I've had one bot trade this morning. NASDAQ is up $80. Good morning, Perry. There's not been another bot trade on any other instrument all morning. So if you have left your bots on until this point, you would have had this NASDAQ short and that NASDAQ long at 743. I shut my bots off at 7. I let them run for an hour or so, which is what I will typically do on days when we have big news. But no trades anywhere. Today is also Wednesday, which means it's crude inventory day, and I will not run the crude bot today. Okay? In any event, guys, good morning. We obviously will not do any trading until 8:30 after CPI. Hang on one second, guys. Bots only. So one of our guys is up 1695 on the NASDAQ bot. Yeah, I personally don't run them through news. That's what I got, Mimi. I'll change it. There you go. I moved it a tick for you. Nice job, Hubert. Another funded trader. Yeah, no question. No question. So 24 funded traders today. We'll do it again tomorrow, guys, with CPI. NASDAQ below 98 might give you a small short if you guys wanted to try a short. No. You Apex has no rule against trading a PA account during news. The only one that ever did, to my knowledge, was Top Step Trader. And I think they've even gotten rid of that. Down to 300 net buyers, guys. We are over 1,300. They're selling them in here. Small buyers coming back in. I saw that. I don't know what the circumstances are or would be around that, Mimi. I have no idea. I can't even begin to fathom. That makes no sense to me. I'd like to know what the circumstances are around that. All right. Gold short on the bot. Gold got target up to $200. We're at some support here on. Hang on, I'm looking at gold. I think we're going to retrace much of this move. I think we come back down to 135 on the NASDAQ. Now, no, what Mimi said was Mimi said, hang on. She said, did you know in Europe you can go to jail if you make a cash transaction of more than €1,000? And I responded by saying, I have no idea what the circumstances are surrounding that. I mean, somebody wants to pay cash for a pair of, I don't know. You walk into Fendi and you want to buy a pair of shoes for $1,400 and you pay cash. You're telling me you can go to jail? No. Apex, news trading in any way, shape, or form of any kind. I guess you cannot trade. Well, how long after news? At Apex, you don't have to close a position prior to the news, but you cannot open one betting only on the news event. They evaluate if it's a part of a regular trading or hunting some lucky, and they would cancel a transaction in such case, okay? Where would you try to get in long on NQ? You already answered that. Marcich, who lives in Europe, said that's not true. Floyd said he lived in Europe for 32 years and never heard that. Do I buy a lot of Fendi shoes? Not a lot, no. Do I have Fendi shoes? Yes. Do I buy a lot? No. PIBH from yesterday was 13. Okay. Paul, who I think knows the rules as well, if not better than most, said that's not true. They don't care for an evaluation on an evaluation account. They're talking about PA accounts, Paul. Not that many, Wayne. No, not that many. Believe it or not. I mean, I have 4163 on the ES. You've got 2,560 buyers. Look at the block buys: 169, 168, 125, 108. That's your long right there. Where the hell is my chart? There's another bot trade somewhere. Hang on, guys. I got to move a Dom. Oh, it's got to be the NASDAQ. Yeah, it is. Price was below what I could see. Volume is picking up. Target filled. NASDAQ has gone back to a negative delta of 500 contracts. We're back to a negative delta. ES holding this support zone for now. 63. Okay, out on the NASDAQ bot. Gold has now gone long on the bot. Fed's barking in 10 minutes. Really? I mean, my opinion is we should be long, but I don't want to be long up here. That's, look, that 63 area. I think you've got to move at least back to 67 if you guys want the long. There's a 750 buyer. They're buying them here, 920. They're buying the ES in here, guys. We are holding that support zone. NASDAQ is along to 208. NASDAQ should be 208, and we're probably going to go back up and test that spike high. 1,000 buyers here on the ES. Yeah, 50. Bull flag on the NASDAQ, fellas. Bull flag. I just need this candle to close in 43 seconds above the flag, and I'll try it long. It's not gonna. I would need the NASDAQ for me to go long to close above 94. Yeah, I mean, I like the ES long. Just watch here. First target would be 75. NASDAQ, you can also try long. Above, it's got to get above 98 on the NASDAQ. The ES, it looks better to me than the NASDAQ. Fairly muted response outside of the initial candle reaction. Fairly muted. Now gold looks like it wants to flip. And it did. Flipped into a short. NASDAQ holding value area high. Gold also starting to look interesting for a move up, but holding some daily support. All right, guys, we're just parked. There goes NASDAQ. NASDAQ's cleared that bull flag. Gold may also be building a bull flag. Let me see here. It is. Got a bull flag on gold. There's gold. Here's NASDAQ. Guys, can you hear me? Sound check. Sound. Okay, thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to shut gold off for now until gold finds some direction. I like gold longs. I like gold to the long side. But again, we're just kind of chopping around. Fellas, it's 9 o'clock. I'll be taking my breakfast break. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Back in 20, fellas. All right, guys, bots are on. Small sellers on the open. We could come back to 80 on the NASDAQ. You're buying ES at 51, okay? $1,700 net sellers in the NASDAQ. There's nothing going on. Big gap up in SPX. ES holding 55, but I would have no interest unless we get above 60. Anyways, big gap up SPX. Here's SPX above yesterday's resistance. SPY pulling back, and Qs almost got to that 35 I said I liked. I'm looking at gold. God dang it, dummy. NASDAQ logs. Come on, close above this damn little trend line. I'll be long NASDAQ above the trend. There are no buyers, guys. We're up 1,400 net sellers. $1,500 net sellers. $78 is probably where we're headed here. Small buyers coming in. There's that 78. Got to get above 78. All right, ES starting to get a bid. Small buyers in the NASDAQ. Really small buyers. YM is long on the bot. ES should push up to 63 from here. Come on, YM, let's go. It's a fairly muted open, fellas. Come on, YM. All right, YM got target 1 on the bot. I'm going to go to break even for now, guys. There's just not much volatility. I'll turn auto trail back on. SPX is pushing up. ES should push up. Out on the runner on the YM. All right, this is a little too damn boring for me. This is all we got? Seriously? 78 on the NASDAQ, and now it's rolling over. I'm going to try a quick short. Hang on. I'm going to try a small short. I don't know why I've got 3 on with no ATM, but I do. Target filled. Guys, I have a target at 80. 1,800 sellers. I left the runner on. 1,800 sellers. We could bounce back up to 62. We could drop down to that 35, and below that 21. Straight sellers. Still holding that runner. Okay, here's 35 coming. Should get close to 35. That's 4 hours support. No. Still jocking around. Small buyers in here now. Really small. Like uber small. $100. All right. I flattened it out. That's a wash trade, basically. Made a few bucks. I mean, this is not for me. I want to see a pullback. I mean, I may not get it, but you should get 35s. NASDAQ just sold on the bot. Target filled. Break even. NASDAQ bot's up 200 bucks. Guys, this is like really, really slow. Very slow. Not what I expected on the open. SPX pushing up. NASDAQ trying to push lower. There we go. Well, it's like NASDAQ is walking a tightrope here. Doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go down. Gives a shit, Richard. There's the breakdown. All right, we got 35. I'm no Fibonacci guy, but this looks like about a 50% retracement, give or take. I do have a target at 13,080. $2,600 gold just sold on the bot. 2,600 net sellers. I think we come down to 76. I have an 80 target. 2,400 sellers. Gold selling. How we do it with micros. There's target on gold. '80's the downside target, guys. That's where I'll consider being long. We're going to retrace this whole damn move. 76, and we could come to 38. I don't think so. YM now short on the bot. If SPX is going to bid, it's here. Deepak. Still not interested in longs, guys, yet. Yeah, not for me, Mimi. You do your thing. You do you. Not what I see, but I've been wrong more than once. Got buyers coming in the NASDAQ. Still think we have another press lower. One more. Still think NASDAQ's got a tag 80 anyways. Guys, this is, CPI, FOMC. I mean, this is what we get on these days. Big moves in both directions. It means absolutely nothing. Open runner. The ATM is irrelevant, Perry. You should know that. The bot overrides that and will place one contract at target one. Then I have an open runner. Yes, then I have an open runner. And we didn't quite get 80. We got 83. Not ready to touch along yet. 3,000 net sellers. 3,000. Looks like we're going to get gap fill. Come on, give me 80. We could get a NASDAQ bounce back to 102 from here. No, here comes my 80. All right, guys. Now we're getting closer to a potential bounce. Yesterday's close at 75. ES not holding either. Got my 80. 3,500 sellers. Come on, YM. Give me that target. There's target one in the YM. There's the breakdown, fellas. It's over, but the crying. We better bounce right here. Now it's over. I flinched on my runner on the short. Too bad. Too bad. So sad. Some daily support in here. 4,000 nets. Yeah, I mean, listen, I had the short, Mimi. I just choked on it. All right, let me turn that off, turn on the trail. I just choked. It's on me. We should be short. New LOD coming. Yeah, when all is said and done, this doesn't amount to a hill of crap. Nice job, Melvin. This doesn't amount to a hill of crap. In the next hour, they could run this back up 100 handles. I mean, it's, these days are. Blew yesterday's low. SPX gap fill would be 4108. Getting a bounce. Small buyers here, guys. We traded down to that 35. We're going to probably bounce to 77. 77 is probably where we bounce to. Out on the YM. YM bots up 440. 77's target, guys. I like it long. 77 target. Got buyers now. If anybody is long, we should get back close 77 to 80. I would think. $650 buyers here. Bank of Canada announcement coming in 10 minutes. Expected to leave rates unchanged. Come on, let's go up and get 77. Push, you dog. Push. $800, almost $900 net buyers in here. Come on, we came back through the level. Ten seconds to the next 3-minute bar. We have 800 plus buyers in this candle. If buyers, now they're losing some. There we go. Right back up. Come on. Go give me 77. Holding former weekly or daily support. Come on, get above this small bullshit resistance. Let's go. 66, 67. Anybody long? Anybody long? Okay. My bot's not long. I don't know what bot you're trading though. My NASDAQ bot is not long. Guess we're going to wait on a Bank of Canada rate decision, huh? Small sellers creeping in again. All right, my NASDAQ bot is short. Target filled. Let me get that break even on, guys. We're not going anywhere. $300 sellers back in. YM's trying to find a bid. Guys, I've got the break even on. We're still holding that daily. And I still think we get 77. Okay, come on. Go get 77, big fella. Come on. Let's go, meat. Pump it up. There we go. Come on. There we go. Pump it up. We got to get up through 65.50. 65.66, and I think we go for anybody that's long. There we go. I'm long 4 in a PA account. I'll take 2 off at 72. No, didn't go. Come on, rat bag. 2 gone. Take 1 at 75.6. Got it. Got 1 left. This is our resistance now, 80. We were here yesterday. Anybody remember that? Same zone as yesterday. Nothing's changed. Let's go get 140 now, big fella. We're flat. Back to yesterday's close. I mean, feel free to go now. Pushing that monthly. Got to get above that 80. Doesn't hold on the way down, and it holds on the way back up. Whoop. All right, guys. I'm out. I'm done with this PA account. Up 985. I'll change accounts. We're going to 163. That's going to be my topside target is 163. Just waiting on this Bank of Canada, which I think is insignificant. We got all the sellers sucked in. Hang on, guys. Let me just draw a trend line here. 7. We got to get above this 80 to start working up. Bank of Canada rate decision expected unchanged. unchanged. Got to get above 80 and then 95. On hold as expected. NASDAQ bot shorted. Don't particularly like it. Something else shorted. There's Target. We could head back down to 33. We're at yesterday's low. We could bounce here, but there are no buyers. ES bot got target 1. That should be on break even. Breaking down pretty heartily on the NASDAQ. I don't think we're going far, guys. We're still, all right, out. I still kind of think longs. We're holding this former daily zone. We're not really breaking down out of it. All right, guys, I'm going to try a long in a combine account. 3 again with no ATM. I forgot to put the damn ATM on. You are a dip. There we go. I'll take 1 here. All right, I'm down to 2. Come on, push, big fella, push. Push, let's go. I took another one off. I've got 1 left. 1 to go. 1 to go. Pushing massive resistance right here. We get through this 80, guys. This could be a big freaking move. We got to get through 80. I'm going to try to, if we get through 80, 82, my next target up is 93. And then 160 is where I want to get this to in a perfect world. There we go. Buyers, come on, baby. Buyers got them. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. Go. Come on. Keep pushing. 95 is our next problem area. Maybe 93. We get above that, I'm targeting value area high at 159. Everybody clear? Trade them as you see fit, but we're above yesterday's close. ES, you can try along in the ES with a target at 57. Down to 3,000 net sellers. Bar in 10 seconds. I have buyers. We're below 3,000 net sellers. Below 3,000. Sellers coming, leaking back in. Come on, got to get 93.50. I want to hold here. Former monthly. Held. I don't much care about that 60 minute. It's nothing. 93 is the pivot. We either go there or fail there. So this is our right about there. We either go there or fail there. Going below 2,900. We are below 2,900 sellers. This could be the trade, fellas. Next target would be 112. 112 is another pivot. Anybody long? Anybody long, fellas? Okay, hold. Come on, push through that pivot. Come on, buyers. Down to 2,500, guys. Down to 2,500. ES target is 57. Come on, hold here. Come on, buyers. Step it up. Back to 26 and change. There we go. Back over 100. Going below 2,300 on the net sellers momentarily. We are below 2,300. Going below 2,200. We are now below 2,200 sellers. They bought back 2,000 plus contracts. Thank you, Marcia. I can trade them when they move. I can't trade them when they don't move. Thank you, Wayne. Below 2,100 net sellers. Below 20, below 2,000 net sellers. They're going to buy all of these back, guys. Don't forget, we have FOMC minutes. Come on, I want value area high at 156. Come on, don't you do it. Need to get a close, guys, on the 3-minute bar in 32 seconds above 04. I need a 3-minute bar close above 04. Got 16 seconds to do it. Come on, 10 seconds. Get above 04. Come on, push a little harder. Now, 3, 2, 1. Didn't get it. So we got to watch here. I know this is. Yeah, but I think we get value area high if you're patient. $155.75 now. Come on, push. Could get a pullback to 70 Unless we get that little swing high at 0675. I'm on the close, fellas. I mean, we have no 60 sellers, 40 sellers, back to 2,300 net sellers on the day. Watch your deltas. All right, I'm going to take risk off. 15-minute. I'm going to take risk off. All right, I took risk off, guys. Okay, that was 870 on the net on that account. Yeah, I just took risk off. Unless we get above 0675. Nice job, Message. I'll take it long again on the move up. I don't have any reason to believe we're not going up. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I think we're going up, but if we get above 0675, my target is 22. Yeah, they can talk all they want. The data was good. The data was good. All right. I hit it long on another PA account. This is a different PA account. So this is PA account number 2. This is PA account number 2. $140 is where I think we can get 140. Nice job, Joe. New 15-minute bar in 3 minutes. Small sellers showing up in here. Little pullback. Need a new 30 range bar to get me through VWAP. Through VWAP, the buyers are absolutely going to completely crush this. If we get through VWAP, the buyers are stepping in. Big time. We're down to 2,200 net sellers again. This is a PA account now, guys. My second PA account of the day. So my daily goal with PA accounts, I don't know. Can you still get 160 target? What the hell do I know? I can tell you what my target is. I can't tell you if we get there. I would think we get 154 now. Value area high is dropping down. I have pretty good resistance at 140. So I'm trying to get this runner to 140. $125 is our next problem area. Next 5-minute bar is in 1 minute and 40 seconds. So 125 or 122 is kind of a problem. If we can start working above that, we're working into 32, 40, and then 51, and above that, 70. Trying to let this trade work, but come on, dog. Here we go. There's your gold. No bot trades, though, fellas, which is disappointing. Come on. It's consolidating just below VWAP, so we're kind of in a make or break here. New 5-minute bar in 40 seconds. Pullback support has to be 98. "15 seconds to the next bar. 500 sellers in here on this 3-minute bar, which ends 1-0, new bar. Let's see buyers come right back in. Buyers are coming, trying. Come on, buyers, let's go. Not going, nope. Flip to sellers. Sellers are trying to keep this below VWAP. Buyers are trying to get them above VWAP. If buyers get above VWAP, it's over for the sellers. Over but the pissing. Got a double top that we have to break through, guys, at 14. 14.5. Here we go. Buyers start crying now. I mean, sellers start crying. Still can't get it. Uh-oh. Sellers about to lose their shirts. Come on. Close through VWAP. All right, I'm going to take risk off here in a second. We have buyers losing them. All right, I'll be long again above VWAP, guys. So that's the first attempt at VWAP. We didn't get it. We could get a pullback. Everybody good? I still have no reason to be short. If this clears VWAP, we're going to get 22 and it really got to get above 25. I still like the longs to 22. I still like the longs to 22. You see how you see how I just hit it again. You see how we're consolidating below VWAP? We're accepting this level. Doesn't mean the sellers can't, push them lower again, but this is trying to get up through VWAP. Got to get 17. We get 22 to 25. Watch. If this 3-minute bar closes in 18 seconds below 100, we're going to get a quick short. All right. NASDAQ just shorted. There's our short below 100. It's imperative we hold 90 or else we come 77 and start this again. We didn't hold 90. We drift back to 77 and possibly 33. I told you if we lost 100, we're going to get a quick short. Back to 3,000 sellers. We're coming 77, if not 70. You got to quit. You got to still a scalp right here at 91. If you guys wanted to try a small short. Come on. Yeah, I'm not paying any attention to crude. It's inventory day. All right, we go up from here, fellas. We go up from here. Come on, turn up now. We held the 34. Come on. If this thing can push through VWAP, it's going to 22. It's pushing this damn pivot at 10-11. There it goes. It's through it. Come on, you suck face. Let's go. Go get 40, man. Go get my 40 target. This is it. This is the next attempt at VWAP. VWAP's been lowered slightly. 22 is next target. Come on. Nice job, Marcia. Yeah, I'm long 5 in a PA account. I'm long 5 in a PA account. Candle close and this is gone. Come on. There's that 22 resistance. This is big resistance here, guys, so take some risk off. All right, I sold 3. I'm holding 2 in a PA account. I had 5 on. Big resistance here. We get through this, it's off to the races. Come on, push it. All right, I sold 1. Pushing that resistance at 22. Need a candle close above 25, and we're going to trade 49. Still can't really clear VWAP. Let it try again. Small sellers coming back in. You guys good? Now we're going to try to make a push up to 28. I think we're going to work to 40, fellas. I still think we work to 40. ES got our target at 57. Pushing former daily resistance here, guys. This is what's slowing us up. 22. Let me look at SPX just for the hell of it. I got nothing on SPX. I have nothing. Or SPY. SPY, you could probably buy puts. 410 puts right now. 410 puts. NASDAQ probably drifts lower again. 77 is the target I have on NASDAQ. 77. Small short at 95. If it pops back up there. Come on. No. Come on, fail. Come down to 77 and give us a great entry. Come down to 77 and give us that entry. I'll let you know when we get there, Joe. I mean, I can't tell you at this point. $104 is resistance. It's got to drop below 87, and that'll bring us down to that level. Below 87. Buyers and sellers duking it pretty good here. But below 87, I think we're going to get 70. Doesn't want to give up 87 yet. That's what's got to go. Higher lows in here. That's got to go. This bottom level breaks, and we should get our carry through. Sellers are small though, just FYI. There are sellers, but they're small. Back up, fellas. Back up. Here's what this is trying. Another garbage trade. This is where we've got to go. If we're going up, this is where we got to go. This could be the one that takes us to that 140, 135 trend line. If this clears VWAP, this is gonna go. Yeah. All right. We got a candle close above VWAP. 140s, targeting 140. Got to break through 24, 25, and then your target is 140. Come on, you've got them. Buyers have them. Buyers have them if they can. They're trying. crude data coming out in a second or two here, guys. Did anybody buy SPY puts? Nobody. Okay. All right. Let's see. Arjan bought SPY 410 puts under the, yep, exactly. Almost through the bottom of the zone. Yep. Absolutely. You're at 100% gain. Bam. Arjan's in my options class. Somebody listens. 100% on SPY. All right, we held value area low. Let's see here, Mike. You tried, but yeah, you've got to. You probably have a different account number for futures and options, so you have to change the account to your options account. "23 seconds to the next 5-minute bar." Yeah, he's still speaking. Yeah, we're coming down further, fellas. We're coming to 34. We're coming to 34. Let me see what the low of the day is. That's the low of the day, 34, 35. Yeah, well, whenever these talking heads get involved, it's a shit show. It's definitely Barkin said he's seeing evidence that inflation is moving down, but no evidence that it's cracked yet. I wish these guys just really wouldn't speak. All right, we may get a small bounce bid here. Got buyers. Let's see here, guys. Back into resistance here. We're not getting any bot trades. Because we're just trading in one direction. Watch a break in this trend line here for a small, another short right there. This should come down a bit. We're back into below that daily support. If we break below 49, this will get hit pretty good. Got to break below 49. Right here. If that comes below there, it's going to get hit really well. Small sellers, guys, like 10, now 50. Below 49, it gets crunched. Just with this dipshit speaking, we're just kind of hanging up here. We got to get down below that first. Came to it. I mean, this is just horse shit. Seriously. Just sit on your hands, guys. Sit on your hands. Nothing to do here with this guy speaking. We've made money today. It's been a good day. There's absolutely nothing to do. All right, we're bidding up through daily. Looks like we're going to get a long. But again, we got a Fed speaker here. And it's not helping us whatsoever. Got to get rid of these guys. Just got to get rid of these Fed speakers. They use every opportunity. All right, we have a bot trade somewhere. Gold. We're holding the bottom of this daily zone. Come on, just kill yourself and die. Give me an entry lower somewhere. 35. I'd be cool with that. We stopped in the middle of nowhere. Literal middle of nowhere. Support is 42. We didn't even get there. We stopped at 48. No reason to stop at 48. Nothing there. On 100 buyers. You have a long with a target at 77. That's all I have. Done with this, guys. Let me see this goes ES. There goes ES. I'm sorry. Yeah, ES and NASDAQ. $77 is where this. If this doesn't stop at 77, we can try for 126 again. Here comes that 77. Everybody good today, guys? Is everybody good? I'm in no hurry to get into a trade. We got to 77 again. No, I am not, Charlie. It's only FOMC minutes. It's not a decision. Here's that 77. We need to get through point of control. I'm going to try a long, guys, above 77. Hang on, let me put an ATM on. All right, one more candle. Come on. And I'll try one last trade. Nope. I still like the long. Look at a 10-minute. We're short. 10 minutes and hourlies, we're short. Back into this daily with sellers. Bouncing out of that again. Small. All right, I'm going to try the short. 35 is a target. I'm going to try a short, guys. Just market. I just hit market. This is where we've been bouncing, but we're below that damn 48. Come on, stay below that 48 and press this son of a gun. Give me that damn target. Come on, rat bag. Does not want to break. It still wants to hold this freaking 48. Big support in here, guys. Look at the wicks. 700 sellers here. They can't freaking kill it. 700. Look at this son of a bitch. Seriously, look at this son of a bitch. 700 sellers. They cannot sell it. That's it for me. That's my last trade. I'm done. I'm done. I'm green. I'm done. Now it'll drop. I have no idea why this keeps bouncing in this area. I have nothing here to bounce it. All I know is every time it comes down here, it bounces. There's nothing here. There's no zone. There's no longer term, support. We should come to 37, but it bounces every time down here. It's bouncing again. I'll be right back, fellas. 1 minute. Now it breaks. Jerk. Seriously. Crazy. I mean, if we got to bounce here, got to bounce here. They just sold 1,500 in this candle. I mean, that thing bounced freaking 5 times up there. No idea what was there to bounce it. There was no support that I can find. Now we're coming down to 06. Then below that, 92. There's 06. 92 is next. See SPX. SPX coming down to 101. Boy, there was a nice SPX short at 1030, which I missed. And then another one at 12 with a target at 101 and 4090. If we can get a pullback to 4112 on the SPX, I'll buy puts. All right. NASDAQ short on the bot. Not in a great area. Come get first target. Let me get Come on. Not in a great area to be short. Could dump to 06 again. If it breaks 6/4, it's coming 90. If it breaks 6, it's coming 92. Come on. Give me the target. 2 ticks? You're not going to give me 2. There it is. Oh, my God. Seriously. What a scumbag. Give me that target. There it is. Unless this breaks 6, that's all we're going to get here. ES bot is the only. All right, out. Crude. I don't even think Crude bot took a trade today. I'll go over bot totals, guys, here at 11 o'clock. Nope, Crude never took a trade. Crude bot wouldn't have taken a trade regardless of the fact I didn't run it. Yeah, these breakdowns are frustrating, but you have to trade delta. I mean, the delta is telling you we're shorts. All right, there's 11 o'clock. Somebody, Bank of Canada, is speaking now. All right, no trades in crude today. I didn't trade it anyways. NASDAQ bot up 450. You're up 38.65. YM bot up 470. Gold bot up 470. And then ES bot, I'll bring over in a second. ES bot down 425. Bots netted 965 today. 965. So let's do this. Bear with me, guys. 1 second. I got to find my sheet. All right. Wednesday plus 965. Combine accounts plus 575. Traded 1. PA accounts 985. NASDAQ bot was up 450. So on the week, we're at call it $1,500. Last week we did $1,392.50, but we didn't have Friday. Friday was a holiday, so we're up $1,500 with 2 days to go. You didn't see me trade a PA account? Really? It's right here. Well, Mark, it would be impossible for me to trade the PA account on the screen because I have a Combine account on the screen, but I put the DOM on the screen. I mean, let me ask you a question. Does it matter if I tell you I'm in a trade and this is the long? You guys are big boys and girls. If you want to take the trade, you take the trade. I took it with 4 contracts. Guys, I'm happy to fly to whatever city, state, or country you are in, and I will push the buttons for you. Buy me a plane ticket and put me up in a hotel. Yeah, but again, so Mark, let me ask you a question, and I'm going to pick on you here, okay? How do you propose I trade multiple accounts on one screen? If you have a solution for that, I'm all ears. Do you suggest that I go from, get rid of gold and put up another NASDAQ and then, do that with a PA account? Or do you suggest I get rid of ES? Tell me what the solution would be, okay? What would be the solution? About $70 in gas, Perry. No, the issue isn't monitors. I can only show one monitor. I have 6 monitors. I can only show the one monitor. Here's what I know. I've been doing this for 11 years. No matter what in the fuck I do, no matter what I do, how I do it, somebody somewhere is going to complain. It's absolutely inevitable. So no matter what I do, Floyd, come. You're invited. You're welcome to come, brother. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Gold is on a SIM account. I didn't even trade gold today. Mark, not to burst your bubble, they're all on SIM accounts. Well, I don't know what you're looking at. It's not just gold. They're all on a SIM account. I've been trading the bots on SIM for the last 3 months. Well, when I tell you guys I'm trading it on, a funded account or whatever, but I changed that three months ago because too many people asked me for specific data relative to a specific bot. So if I trade them on one account, which I had done historically, and I tell you at the end of the day, the bots are up $900. Which bot? See you, JC. Which bot? Then I get an email and somebody says, all right, well, tell me what the ES bot did the last 8 weeks. How would I know if I trade one account? So I track them individually. There's only one way to do that. Listen, there's no way to look at this room, okay? There are very few rooms of 26, 2,700 rooms, whatever there is out there. There are very few rooms which do what I do. Almost none. Okay? Almost none. There are few rooms that actually trade in full view. And if I'm not trading, right? Remember my disclaimer at the beginning. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Trade according to your tolerance for risk. So let's assume my PA account was on the screen and you could see it. Irrespective of the fact that I told you I took it in a PA account and what my targets were. I had 4 contracts on. Would you have traded 4 contracts in a PA account? Probably not. If there's anybody in this room, and I know virtually all of you have PA accounts, is there anybody in this room that would have taken a 4 contract trade in a PA account? Anybody? See, I mean, yeah, hell no, unlikely. No, absolutely not. You crazy. Absolutely not. No, no, no. So would it matter? I mean, do you like the trade more if I say to you, I'm in for 4 contracts on a PA account? Oh, well, I love it then on one contract. Hell, if Bob trades 4, I'll trade 1. That's great trade. It's got to be right. No, it's not. Doesn't mean that. You don't think I've been wrong before? I'm wrong every day. You're in the options class. Did you take the option trade? No, but you didn't see that on the screen either. Did you? But that's up 167% right now. Only one guy took the trade. There is no difference if I say it's long. NASDAQ is long here. When I said long here, target is 77. You and I may be 2 points different or 2 ticks different. Doesn't matter. The target is still the same. Doesn't matter. I'm not tracking my total, so it's irrelevant. It's not, I'm not going to send out an email and say, my order flow trades accounted for $8,263,000 today. Yeah, from where? For who? For how many contracts? It's irrelevant. I'm trading. I mean, I could go back and trade my own personal account and just not tell you guys what I'm doing or give you guys sporadic trades. I can't show that account on screen. I don't trade through Ninja. So I trade an Apex account with you guys. I trade a PA account